On a narrow slope, a car is avoiding the way of a truck with a full load of logs going downhill. With an estimated volume of wood of about 30 tons, it was too much for a 10-wheel truck, and it was handling a 90-degree turn. It was surprising with this driver's great skills as he crossed the road quite easily and very skillfully. The dump truck's trunk is too long and can easily tip over if the dump truck is raised too high to empty the trash, like this dump truck from City Hall. Luckily, the front part of the dump truck was completely lifted up, but the dump truck safely lowered its tank and moved away from the edge. The other thing people wonder is, why does the City Hall dump trash in such a green area? The Volvo tractor and 2 trailers with large logs had just moved from the ferry and were moving strongly straight on the dirt road. The tractor is supporting the Scania truck moving from the ferry with a fairly large iron chain.
Vai estourar. O cara desce não, você puxa.
The truck is quite heavy, causing the tractor to move cautiously, and many parts of the tractor cannot be moved. With a giant metal arm, the semi-trailer truck is holding one edge of the lift table to place the excavator on the trailer. Although the front of the truck is slightly raised, it is perfect and convenient for a lift table to automatically winch goods onto such a trailer. They are showing us how to get an excavator off the truck's trailer. The excavator moved to the outer edge of the truck lift, causing the truck to lift its front end, meaning the rear edge of the truck would be closer to the ground. Taking advantage of that, the excavator will automatically move down the truck, but this is also quite dangerous because the truck can overturn at any time. A tractor truck with a large package could not move. The bulldozer was clearing the road for rescue work. After widening the road, the bulldozer will use the cable to pull the tractor truck to move. The power of the bulldozer was really too great. The front wheel of the truck never touched the ground, but it was still pulled away quickly. At this time in Yekaterinburg, a fuel tanker truck overturned in a pile of snow. Rescue work is urgently underway. Two cables are attached to the body of the tractor truck, the area with the fuel tank, the center of gravity of the truck. Then, the manipulator truck slowly uses traction so that the tractor truck can stand up. The fuel tanker truck can stand up straight again. The rescue work was half successful. They'll have to drag it away from here. A spectacular river crossing just took place. The convoy was like a powerful submarine emerging from the water. Then the whole convoy went ashore, leaving behind a strong vibration on the water surface as if a monster had just appeared.